Welcome back. We're here again Tuesday. Gonna hop in and do an ice bath. Once again, time is currently 5:31. We're out here, semi-isolated. Let's do this. There we go. That's another Tuesday done. It's part of a lifestyle. I always say start slow and work your way up. Never go for a super long period of time. Do cold showers. Get used to that. Do that for a season. And then after you've done that safely and calmly, if you can, be with a buddy. Do some cold exposure outside. Join a club. Always be safe. And then when you've done that for a while, you can safely venture and do it by yourself. Know your limits. And yeah, try to have fun. Our season is slowly coming to an end. The water is now actually getting warmer. So we probably have another month left of half decently cold water before mid-March, April sets in. Snow is deep here. All right, and we'll get there. Have a great night. Be safe.